So this is how we got up here. I'm taking some of the stuff back, but high mobility multi-wheeled vehicle is what this thing is. And it's pretty much packed with crap. I got water, hearing protection, more water and more water. Can't have too much water when you're up here. Gets a little dirty coming in here, but it's even got a license plate on it, so I can actually drive it on the street. It's legal. I gotta disconnect the battery. The propane's already shut off. I found this cling here. This is what this vehicle actually was part of. It's the, I'll show you, 63rd Theater Air Brigade of the 12004 Army something. Anyhow, it was the U.S. Army vehicle. So, got the new screen door on. Looking pretty good. I've been working inside here. This is a whole big improvement for the way it was trashed when I first got here. Probably down, but I need to put the burners back on the stove. This is all together. Bathroom's been all cleaned up. Got the table. I need to redo the screens on the windows on the slide out. And there's a couple drawers missing, but we'll deal with that later. And this is what I've been working on today. I put a bed in here finally. I got a queen size bed. It's got a real mattress on it. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Missing some drawers, but it's a tight fit. Got new heater ducts. The heater ducts were all trashed, and I just rebuilt it. I bee-blasted it down, protective painted it, and got it back on. We'll run that next time we come up here. So, anyhow, that's it for today from up on Kings Hill in an undisclosed location on Kings Hill. All right. Talk to you.